Hello, my dear fantastic folks. Hope you all are fit and fine. This is Harshi, your science trainer, is back with chapter number 4 Food from Plants of your course book Science Horizon Acknowledged series by Amit Publication House. Under this chapter, the topics that we are going to cover are vegetables, fruits, cereals and pulses, tea, coffee and sugar, and spices, and the last is oil. So let's start the chapter, kids. Plants are very useful to us. Most of the food that we eat, we get from we get from plant. The things that we have just discussed, that vegetables, fruits, oil, spices, tea, coffee, that all the things we get from plants. Plants produces so many things for us, and not only for us, they produce for animals too, correct? So we get things from plants. They are called universal producers because they produce for animals, for us, for humans, right? So let's see. For example, fruit, vegetables, cereals, pulses that we get from plants. And why we need food, kids? We need food to get energy to grow. It is very essential for us. We cannot live without food, and we cannot produce food, kids. So that is why we are dependent on plants for the foods. Vegetables. We get different type and different colors of vegetables from plants. Vegetables are very healthy to eat. Yes. And we eat different parts of the plants as vegetable. Like we eat fruit, we eat roots, stems, we eat flowers and leaves too. So let's see the examples of different parts that we eat as vegetables, like roots. The examples of roots are radish, carrot, beetroot. Yes, we all eat carrot and radish, beetroot. So, what is the part of a plant it is? It is roots of a plant. You know, kids, carrots are very good for our eyes. Next is stem. Example of stems are potatoes, ginger and lotus stem. Leaves. Plants store their food in leaves too. So we eat spinach and cabbage as the food or vegetable. And flowers, we eat all flowers also. So we eat, what we eat as a flower? Cauliflower and broccoli are the examples of flowers that we eat as vegetables. Okay. Now next one is fruits. Fruits are very tasty, na kids? Fruits are sweet in taste, and it is some fruits are correct. Some fruits are sweet in taste, some are sour, but all the fruits are juicy, correct? And we get different types of nutrition and vitamins from the fruits. So it is advised to eat fruits on daily basis. We see different kind of fruits like apples, mango, bananas, oranges, watermelon, grapes, and list is huge, right? So fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have few seeds, some have many seeds, and fruit like banana, it is not having any seed, And mango. Mango has only one seed. Right, kids? So check yourself. The picture of some fruits and vegetables are given below with their names. So write F. F means fruit and V. It means vegetable. So let's do this, kids. Onion. It is the example of very good. It is vegetable. Lychee. Lychee is a fruit. Correct. Cherries. Cherries are again fruit. Lettuce. It is leafy vegetable. Peas. Again vegetable. Guava. Example of fruit. Watermelon is also a fruit. And beetroot is a vegetable. And as the name refers root, it is the root of a plant that we eat. So let's move on to the next exercise. Here we will discuss about cereal and pulses. We also get cereals and pulses from the plants. Example of cereals are wheat, rice and maize. But we need to cook the cereals first, then we will eat it. We grind it first, like rice. We will cook the rice first and then we will eat it. Wheat. We need to grind this first. We make flour out of it and then we make chapatis. Maize also, again we can grind it and we can use it, right? So, cereals also we get from plants. Next is pulses. Pulses like red lentils, gram, arhar, kidney beans, chickpeas, right? So many kinds of pulses we get from plants, and pulses are very healthy, right? And it is very essential for growth. But we need to cook it first, then we can have it. Like vegetables, again some vegetables can be eaten raw like cucumber, onion, carrot, radish. But rest of the vegetables we need to cook first. Alright kids? And fruits can be eaten raw. Yes. All the fruits we eat raw, but don't forget to wash it properly, right? Let's move on to the tea, coffee and sugar. Tea, coffee and sugar are together called beverages. Yes, tea and coffee are the example of beverages and we add sugar. Why we add sugar into them? Tea and coffee, we add sugar to give the sweet taste, right? We add sugar to sweeten these drinks. So, tea and coffee are called beverages. Very good. Now, all these things we get from plants. Sugar is made with the sugar cane, and sugar cane is the stem of a plant, right kids? We make juice, we take out the juice from sugar cane and then sugar is prepared with this juice. Coffee beans, we get coffee from the coffee beans and we get tea from the tea leaves. Alright kids, have you got it? Great. Next we get spices. Spices enhance the taste of the food. And it's again we get so many types of spices like cardamom, clove, black pepper, cinnamon. Black pepper is known as the king of spices, kids. And clove we use when we have toothache. Yes. So it relieves in toothache, right? Oil. We also get oils. We need oil too for cooking, right? We all need oil for cooking. Examples of oils are mustard oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, even we have groundnut oil too. So how we get it? We crush the seeds. Yes, we crush the seeds of mustard tree. Yes, we get seeds from mustard plant and we crush these seeds and take out the oil. Like we get coconut oil from the coconut and sunflower oil from the sunflower. Yes, and we take groundnut from the groundnut. We all need the oils for cooking. And we apply the coconut oil and mustard oil in our hair. Yes, correct. And we also light the earthen lamps with the mustard oil. Alright, kids? Have you understood? So let's see what we get next. So that's all. So let's revise what we have learned. First, we will discuss keywords and explanation. Grains. What is grains, kids? Seeds that we get from plant used as food such as wheat, rice and gram are called grains. Sugar. Sugar is what? A sweetening agent made from plants. Got it, kids? Next is spices. Spices again parts of some plants used to make food correct, tastier. Let's recall, we need food to live, grow and to stay healthy, right? We get food from different parts of the plant. We eat root, stem, leaves and flowers of some parts of plant as vegetable. We also get foods from the plants. Cereals and pulses together are called grains. Tea, coffee and sugar also come from plant. Spices make our food tastier and oil is used for cooking the food. We apply the oil in our hair and we also light the earthen lamp. Correct? So let's recall the concept. First is take the correct options. Which of the following is not a root? Potato, radish, carrot and beetroot. Beetroot, we have already discussed, it is root. Carrot is root. Radish is root. So which is left? Potato. Potato is stem of a plant. Correct. Fruits are very healthy to eat. Oh, I've forgotten. We need to circle this. First I'll do for you, right? And rest you will do along with me. The exercises. C. Fill this C. You just need to fill the circle, entire circle, right? So in this way, you will fill according to the answers. Like second, we have checked B. You can fill this circle B. Okay? Needs to be filled properly. Alright. Okay? So move on to the third one. Which of the following is not a cereal? Rice, maize, wheat are examples of correct cereals. And which is left? Carrot. Carrot is a vegetable. Very good. Which of the following is sweet in taste? Sugar, ginger, chili and salt. Salt is salty in taste. Chili, it is very bitter. And ginger, there's what is left? Sugar. Sugar is the correct example of this. Fifth is dash of mustard are used to make oil. So, we crush the seeds and we take out the oil. Alright, so seeds is the correct answer. Quickly move on to the question number B. Write the correct statement and cross the incorrect statement. Plants are very useful for us. Yes, they are very useful for us. We eat the roots of the potato plant. No, potato is a stem. So this is wrong. Wheat and maize are pulses. No, wheat and maize are cereals. Sorry, this is wrong. I'm so sorry, kids. Seeds of sunflower are used to make oil. Correct. We get tea and coffee from plants. Yes, and they are called beverages together, right? So let's do the question number C. Write 2 examples of leaves that we eat. First one is spinach. And the second is lettuce. Fruit we eat. So many fruits we eat like mango and apple. Pulses that we eat. Can you give me the examples of pulses? Yes, it is arhar and gram. Spices that we eat. We get cloves. And next one is turmeric. Turmeric is again the example of spices. So question number D. Answer the following question. First is, why do we need food? We need food to stay alive, to stay healthy and to grow. What are food grains? Cereal and pulses are called food grains. What makes our food tastier? That we know. Spices make our food tastier. Have you understood, kids? Very good. So that's all for this session. Right? Stay excited of another video, right, kids? Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye.